Hey you guys, Keelik86, aka Raymond. Welcome to another reaction video of BigBrudda. Wow, the return of the Beast of the Sound. Now, if you guys remember the last time we saw this video, well, the Beast of the Sound, we saw Tom's like, the Beast of the Sound. He was talking like a pirate when Jesse snapped at him. And now, judging from what Larry said, is a fish. And last time when we went over there, Jeffrey scared them, but then they found out there was some monster with ruby eyes. So they want to catch him, so let's see if they do now.
What's going on? Uncle Larry? Uncle Larry, what's going on? I've been fighting this thing for like a half hour now. I got it. Jesus. Yo, get the tongs. Get the tongs. The tongs. No, I said the knife, not the tongs. The knife. Get away. No, not the knife. I need a net. Oh God! I got the knife for you. No! No! What happened? No. Oh, did the line just break?
Oh, no, yeah.
Are you okay, Uncle Larry?
We're gonna have to wait till next year. You get one chance at that. That's all you get.
Uncle Larry, I'm sorry.
Sorry, it's not your fault.
That's your one big fish. Well, guys, from the looks of it, this is where they come home, I believe. Well, whatever the Beast of the Sound is, maybe we'll see it someday. I bet it's nothing but a small fish, I bet. They always make a big deal about everything. Like Doug. Mr. Dick was telling Doug about this big fish. They found it to be a small one. That was like a monster.
Oh my God. I think that's everything. Guys, packing up. Last day. Loading up the truck and then heading back home to Miss Pupper. Guys, there were so many memories with this place.
Yeah. And when your family...
Wait a minute, I thought I was going to put a montage. Ah, crap. I guess Jeffrey got lazy and decided not to do like a memorable montage on that. Jesus, Jeff, come on. Edit with a little bit of effort here. Wow, still nothing. I thought for sure that we were going to get a... So yeah, guys, just loading up the truck. Got little brother right here. Jeff, say something for the camera.
You're not the one who spent the last week cooped up in here, all right?
Wow, that was great. I got the remainder of my groceries. Got some nice Garnier fruit teas, conditioner, some protein. Got some all this other stuff. I got my bag back, yada yada. And Jeff, that's your bag. So loading up the truck now. Waking up at 6 a.m. and then we're out. Real note though, Uncle Larry's been like super depressed.
Well, he lost
he
the
really
fish.
thought he was going to catch the Beast of the Sound, and unfortunately for him, he didn't. Really unfortunate for everybody, because God knows what kind of mood he's going to be in for the rest of the year and the next year. You know, I never really know where I'm going when I'm just like vlogging in my room by myself. Like I'm like staring at myself to make eye contact with something. Man, I'm such a noob. I think that's everything. Good morning, guys. It's like 5 a.m.-ish. It's time to leave. One last time, anymore. 1, 2. And here comes the condensation.
Ah, there it is. There's the condensation.
Hey, Jess, you're up early.
Are you filming this, man? Come on.
Well, hey, beautiful sunrise.
Alright, that's enough. Oh my God, there's Aunt Jackie's ham shop. Mom, is that where she got the 4 pounds of ham this week?
Yes, and we have the 2 pounds and on the back of our truck.
The greatest breakfast sandwiches of all.
It's the back of our truck. Hauling ham. Oh my God, guys, we're finally back. We're finally back.
Yep.
It only took forever.
We can make good time. It wasn't as traffic.
No place like home.
That's right.
Can't pick up Pupper for another 2 hours from the puppy prison.
She's in Gen Pup.
She's in Gen Pup.
Legs.
Are you able to walk?
Stretch those legs.
Oh.
Oh, and Jeff, don't be a dishy.
Guys, since we can't pick up the pups for another couple hours,
Just rest.
gonna help my dad mow lawns.
Time goes by when you work.
Oh yeah, a little tuft. Probably should have the dogs pee on that. Mow time. We gotta drop this crap off Uncle Larry's first. Whoa! The heck was that? Yo, Jess, go mow. Is that okay?
Not go in here, please.
All right, man. You enjoy. Bye-bye. Oh my God! This town got ravaged.
Get us over while we're gone.
Only bad things happen when we
No leaves in the pool.
Are they pulling in right now?
Yep.
Oh my God. Yeah, guys. Since Uncle Larry doesn't have a truck no more, since like, what was it, 2016?
Basically it.
Yeah, Uncle Larry destroyed a pool. I don't know if you guys heard about that. It was at the Ridgeway residence. But yeah, he drove through the pool with his truck. Hasn't had a truck since. So,
Yeah, thanks, Larry.
yeah.
Great memories.
So, using our truck, we carry his stuff.
All his fishing supplies.
It's pretty convenient. Pretty convenient.
That one in doesn't go. That is ours.
Well, this black PSC&G bag.
Sure, it's already day off tomorrow, so.
I don't know, some of this stuff smells like fish.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Whew. There you have it, guys. There's Uncle Larry's whole shed contents.
Yep.
Nice. Oh, hey.
Hey,
Didn't know you were here.
that's peeing.
European?
Yeah,
That's a lot of
European.
stuff.
Yeah, European.
And there it is.
European is treasure.
It's all over.
Next, we just scheduled for the next one.
That's right.
Yep.
All right, we're good. I see.
Okay, bye. Whoa.
Goodbye.
What do you want me to do? Weed whack?
Yeah, we whack if you would, please.
Okay. I'm just kidding. I'm not actually going to do this with a camera. That'd be crazy. Ah. I win. Jeff's done first, not other Jeff. All right, on to the next one. Let's go.
Woohoo! So close, don't even have to put our seatbelts on.
Oh, we're doing this one?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Knock this out and the other big one up the
Good
street.
job, you know. You
Then go get the pops.
All right.
Place to place.
Oh, man. So whoever usually gets done first gets the leaf blower. As you guys can tell, I lost this round.
Obviously.
My legs are grassy. Oh, wow. Oh, I got some blood. Oh, man. Little Jeffrey wins again. That's 2-1. Jeff against Jeff. But guys, check this out. I actually found like somebody's like Subaru car key just like kind of like chilling here. No idea. I guess I'll just leave it in their mailbox. Along with this bottle of Patron cork. What the heck? Alright, no lines. Sweet.
That puppy mill.
Alright. Guys, it's actually not a puppy mill. This is a very nice resort that we send them to. They have a 3-dog suite. So,
They're in Gen Pop now, though.
let's see Kate's reaction. Gosh, she's gonna be so
She'll
upset.
be happy. Dogs
She's probably
really
gonna
love the
pee
show.
herself and get mad at me.
Their affection. How much they miss it. That's what you guys, dogs show more affection than humans do. That's how you can tell they miss it.
Get in. Get in.
Go ahead. Excuse me. Oh,
puppy. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Man, 3 dogs.
Ben, how's you been?
Oh my God. Oh my God. I know. I'm in your seat. I'm in your seat. I saw him. I saw. Oh, look out.
Stay in the back.
Hey. Hey there. Okay. I know. It's good to sit. No, you can't drive.
Gotta do that.
Oh, there it is. There it is. I know. I'm in your seat. I'm sorry.
Let's show it.
Oh, hey there.
Oh my God.
But yeah, when it's 1 dog, it's fine. When it's 3, that's crazy.
God, they're crazy. Okay.
There, now they're calm.
All right, you guys are finally in
Put
sync.
safety gears.
There we go.
Touch the gears with the steering wheel. We're good, puppies.
Calm down, you're almost home. I guess that's how they get tell them.
Okay.
We're getting close, puppies.
Okay.
Oh God, puppies.
Let's all calm down.
Yep.
Let's all calm down.
Brian Moore, puppy for me. Get out of the car.
Oh my God. You're crazy.
Oh, sheesh. Dang, almost knocked her over.
Time to poop.
Guess I've been saving this one to go home.
Got poop there too? Okay, it is. Wow.
I bet they missed that pool.
That's all it took. It was absolute chaos. Yep. Hey,
Still
Hey.
pooping.
cat poop
Is it-
eater.
This is
Get
I
out
miss
of there.
home. I get this out. I almost showed out how much I miss home.
Oh, she's in your pool.
One thing for me, if I had
That is a
dogs
good
in the
girl.
pool, I
Do
wouldn't want
you
them
see
in the pool.
this? That
Because it's-
thing is like waist high. Unlike Hey
Whoa.
Jackie. It's just so hot. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to mow this tomorrow. Crap, that is unreal.
That's huge.
That is unreal. There's probably like a bazillion snakes in there. Like those black racer snakes with the white stripes on them. Oh my God.
Boy, they've been gone for
I'm
almost a
probably getting
week.
ticks right now. Just,
Can the grass be that big
oh
already?
my God. Can't imagine how
Grass
much mail
grow-
we have. I
weeds
didn't put a
grow
hold on it.
quickly like anything.
Go ahead. Wow, it's
Look
hot.
at the hole.
Jesus, guys, look at this.
Look at all that
Fat
mail.
stack of freaking mail. Oh no. Insurance. Mortgage payment.
Mortgage payment. Wait a minute. Mortgage payment.
Turn off notice.
Turn off.
Oh, that.
What?
Runs off to go, like, do, like. Oh, jeez, I'm dropping this crap everywhere. All of his crap, basically. Jesus. My brother runs off, like, to go hang out across country, doing whatever God knows, like, bull crap road trip plans he's got. Meanwhile, we're getting all these bills and everything. Apparently, he didn't have autopay set up. And what the hell is this thing?
Huh?
A Tesla wall connector? I'm not doing. Door over there. I don't know when he's getting that replaced. Jesus. This is ridiculous, Popper. This is freaking ridiculous. Gets a wall connector for his Tesla, but doesn't pay the bills. The freaking utilities. God.
Well, guys, hey, I'm sure that these guys had the best vacation ever. Although, being pranked by the whole family, that was funny. I had a feeling they were going to do that, so that was pretty obvious. But I actually thought it was Tom or Paige. But either way, it was all of them. Although I bet Paige wasn't in on this, but only those 4 or 5. But hey, at least they had a good vacation. But hey, when you get back to vacation, you're back to reality, back to home, and you gotta take care of the house, make sure you mow the lawn, and everything else. So that's always the fun part. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reaction, more gameplay. Drop some likes if you enjoyed this. Oh, be sure to download Storyfire, and also follow me, KingLink86, because I'm writing some stories, because I'm doing a new series, but it's a Comic-Con series, which is a writing story series. I would love to post videos, but I haven't got that notification, that thing where I could be able to post videos on Storyfire, but I'm not there yet, so I put my my application, and I hope I get it, but we'll see soon enough. Alright, you guys, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, like I always say, stay positive, and I hope you subscribe to my Storyfire account.